All right, class, today I'm going to show you how to get to your Edulastic account, which is where we do a lot of our practice assignments, follow-up assignments, and quizzes and tests. If you haven't used it before, you'll get to know it. If you've used it before, this should look familiar to you. The only thing you're going to need to do to log in is you are going to need to click on in the top right corner, log in. It'll take you to a page here that follows. It's going to give you a couple different options here. Sign in with Google, sign in with Office 365, sign in with Clever. You're going to click on sign in with Google. This should then take you to a screen that looks like this. You might see a few different names if you share your laptop with anybody, maybe family or friends. If your laptop that you're using is just for you, you should probably only see your own. You will go ahead and click on your name. It's going to ask you a couple questions. Is it okay if we share some information with Google Classroom, share some things with people in your classes, view the profile photo of your class? You're going to click allow in order to let this work. And then it's going to take you to a screen. Yours and I's are going to look a little bit different since you're a student and mine's a teacher. In this space right here, kind of where I have this, you'll have any of your tasks that are at hand. It might say not yet started. Not yet started. It might say something like in progress, or it might say something like completed or completed/graded. Just some things to keep in mind. Obviously, you're going to want to pay attention to these if they're new. It would be something that's not yet started or in progress. It will always have a name, and that name will be posted on Google Classroom for us to share with you. Pretty easy. You'll never really need to log out. If you're handing your Chromebook to a sibling or a friend that's going to use it, then obviously you'd want to log out. It'll be up here in this upper right-hand corner. Yours looks different than mine. It might say your name or your student ID, and that's how you would log out to hand that off to somebody else. But pretty easy. We'll use this a lot. So one of your first assignments is just to get logged in and take a peek at that. Thank you for following along.